Hi guys, so for today's video I'm really excited. As you guys can see by the title right now, I'm gonna be doing a $100 giveaway to my subscribers and my followers on Instagram. So I have a few rules that you have to follow in order for you to win the giveaway. I'm giving away once I hit 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube and also 1,000 followers on my Instagram. So after I hit those, then I'm gonna be choosing the winner who's been actively commenting on my video and sharing my videos on their Instagram, or sharing it to your friends, or just actively doing the most. So anyways, and I see the people who actively watch my videos and comment on my videos, even just like, hey, I'm watching right now, or commenting on my videos. Like, I know those people like on my head, like I know their name. So anyways, this is gonna be the instructions. I have a list here of my book. So first and first, of course, you have to be subscribed, or you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And then the second one is you have to follow my Instagram as well, which is glenn.tony. I'll put it in here, or I'll also put the link on my description box so you guys can follow me there. And the third one is you have to make sure that your subscription is visible on YouTube, so I can see that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. The fourth one would be you have to like my videos, any of my videos, and also share my video. The fifth one would be you have to screenshot this video and post it on your Instagram story. So let me just smile. So yeah, you can screenshot that and you have to tag me. Okay, so you screenshot that video, or like post that I just the smile or whatever, and you have to post it on your Instagram story, and you have to make sure that you tag me. You have to tag me so I can reshare it, and also make sure that your account on Instagram is public so I can view your story and I can also reshare your story. And that's all it. Like, that's all it you have to do. Like, and you can also tell your friends and your family. You can tell them like I'm doing a giveaway, maybe they'll win too. So after that, I'm gonna write down all your names, the one who did the reshare on Instagram or tagging me on Instagram, and also the one who's commenting on my Instagram. So I will put all your name in the little, like, I will put that all your name, and I'm gonna do like a raffle. And then after that, once I hit the 2,000 subscribers on here on YouTube, and also 1,000 subscribers in, not subscribers but followers on Instagram, that's gonna be the time that I will be on my, probably on my Instagram live, and I will let you guys know. I'm also gonna put like a status on YouTube. If you guys know, make sure before I forgot, make sure to turn on your notification bell so you'll know, especially on my Instagram. And I'll probably gonna do a live, or I'm gonna record a video of me doing a raffle and posted it on my IGTV or on Instagram, or probably here, so you guys can win the $100 giveaway. So that's all you guys have to do. Don't worry, all the instructions will be on the description box as well, so you guys just have to follow that and win $100. So that's it. That's all you gotta do. So anyways, that is it for today's video. And if you haven't entered yet, and if you want to win 100 bucks, then yes, enter and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.